Today we have something exciting, a high-suction, bagless, multi-purpose vacuum cleaner from OSMON. First, let's unpack the box and have a look at the vacuum and accessories we get. So we get three different types of attachments for cleaning almost every area easily. First is a crevice nozzle with which it is easy to reach and clean dirt, dust and debris from tight, hard to reach areas that a vacuum head cannot access. Then we get a brush nozzle. It has these nice soft bristles that allows us to get up extra stuff. These soft bristles will help get and loosen the dirt, dust and debris while the vacuum suction pulls it away and into the canister rather than disappearing it into the air. And third is the upholstery nozzle, which will be useful for cleaning fabric surfaces such as sofas, carpets or car seats. Then we get the hose pipe, which is stretchable, feels strong and durable, and then a handle which is used as both a handle and an extension, and at last a manual booklet and some attachments. And here is the vacuum cleaner. The build quality actually feels premium for this price range. The red and black colors give it a nice heavy duty vibe. Its weight is around 7 kgs, but because it's upright, it already feels easier to move around compared to the traditional canister vacuum. Now let's assemble it. Slide the handle into the top of the vacuum cleaner. Push down until it sounds click. Now attach the tool storage hooks to the vacuum. Next, attach the hose pipe. Attach the L-shaped size to the dust cup and the other side pushes securely onto the hose inlet. Loop the hose pipe over the hose retainer like this and wrap the wire around the upper and lower cord wraps. Store the dusting brush, upholstery tool and crevice tool on the vacuum. Using it is super simple. First, plug the power cord into the outlet and then turn the height adjustment knob to adjust for low to high pile carpet. There are 5 height settings to choose from according to the carpet or floor. This is the on-off switch. Step on the power switch to turn the vacuum cleaner on and step on again to turn it off. This switch is for adjusting the handle position. Step on the handle release switch to lower the handle, and to lock it again, tilt it forward. To detach dust cup, press the release button, lift off the dust cup, and to empty debris, press this lever to release the bottom lid. To use the accessories, first pull up the hose connection to release the hose end from the hose inlet. Now press the handle release latch and pull out the handle with the wand. Then push the end of the hose into the top of the handle and twist clockwise until it clicks. To attach accessories, push the desired tool onto the end of the wand with a handle. It is easy to clean at the heights and the corners. We can also use any accessory without a handle. Just push the desired tool directly onto the end of the hose pipe. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make it stand out. Bagless design. It is a bagless. No more buying and replacing those messy bags. This large dust cup is a super convenient, powerful motor and suction. It has 1200 watt copper motor and 19 kPa suction power. HEPA filtration. The HEPA filtration system is a fantastic feature. It helps to trap even the finest particles, keeping the air in your home cleaner. Plus, these filters are washable. Versatility and attachments. It comes with all the right tools for the job. Adjustable height. Whether you have hard floor or thick carpets, this vacuum has you covered with its 5 different height adjustments. This ensures optimal cleaning performance on any surface. There is one downside of this product. It might be loud for some people. However, overall I am impressed with its suction power, versatility and convenient bagless design. If you are looking for a reliable and effective cleaning for your home, this could definitely be a great option to consider. If you have any queries regarding this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.